Hey everybody, my name is Scott Cavieton. I'm the co-founder and CEO of CaseMark. Today I'm going to talk about the CaseMark workflow platform. It's an AI-assisted platform that enables discrete tasks for attorneys to be solved quickly and easily. Today we're going to talk through specifically the narrative, deposition, page line deposition, and trial and hearing transcript summary workflows that we have today. Really easy to get up and running. Basically, you just have to upload your files. And then you select the workflow and then run it. And then we generate an output that's in PDF or Word format and allows you to download and include or integrate into your case management solution, forward it onto the insurance adjuster, you name it. We can solve that for you. So really quickly, here you can see you can basically upload a file. We'll grab a file, you upload it, and it's ready for the actual workflow itself. Now we can come in here and you see the different types of workflows. Again, we try to call these easy buttons, the idea being that we solve these specific tasks for you without having to worry about the security and privacy implications that we've dealt with specifically. We'll cover more on that here around our security promise. If you go to casemark.ai/security, talk more about our certifications and all the process that we're going through to make sure that folks can depend on us from a security and privacy standpoints. The one thing I'll mention on that front is that we never train with your data. Your data is your data. We delete it very quickly, within 30 days most of the time, if not sooner if you ask for that. And then none of our other customers have access to each other's data either. I think that goes without saying, but I think it's important to clarify. So here you can see kind of the page line deposition summary, and it's a typical page line summary that you would expect. We also have a narrative, and then I also mentioned the trial and hearing transcript summary. And here you specify the workflow name, in other words, the transcript that you might want. You select the actual transcript. Here I'm picking a Fauci deposition. It's a public transcript. You have two different options here, a 10-to-1 or a 5-to-1. The 10-to-1 is for every 10 pages of transcript, you get 1 page of summary. 5-to-1 is a little more verbose, 5 pages of transcript for 1 page of summary. You can also append the hyperlink transcript. I'll explain what that means here in a second. When you're ready to go, you just click continue, and then this workflow will run in the background. I'm going to load an example here really quick. Again, this is that Fauci one, and you can see here's the abstract. It gives a brief summary of the entire transcript, and then it also goes into each of the different sections of it. And here I'm going to see here you have two options to download the PDF or the Microsoft Word version. I'm going to do the PDF version. We'll download that really quick. It takes a second or two because what we did here is I actually did append the transcript. And what that means is we take the transcript that you uploaded and we actually append it to the end of the summary itself. And so here we see the final output. Let's see, it's Dr. Anthony Fauci. It's a 10-to-1. Here we have the abstract, and then as we scroll down, you can see the different page lines here, and then the summary, and then the actual subject. And so as we sort of drill down in here, we have the discussions of funding research on the coronavirus. We can click here. Boom, it takes us right to page 39, as you can see, and it actually will dig into that specific testimony itself. So a really handy way for folks to be able to do this. And again, it's just encapsulated in a PDF file itself. We can also do this with the Word document. That allows you to edit it, maybe add notes, those kinds of things. The last thing I'll mention too is we have this ability to actually interrogate it. So you can actually come in here and interrogate this transcript. So you can ask it ChatGPT-like questions, but we're not actually doing it inside of ChatGPT. We're doing it inside of our secure CaseMark infrastructure. So just something to think about there on that end. We also have our connectors, which allow you to integrate with things like Clio and Smokeball. That's a super high-level overview of the CaseMark platform. Don't hesitate to reach out and ask us any questions if you have some. Feel free to head over to casemark.ai if you'd like to learn more. Thanks so much.